What's going on, man? It's your boy J Pigs. You already know what it is. Back with another P vlog. It's December 31st, 2025, man. Last day of the year. I got a New Year's Eve event that I'm going to tonight, so I'm gonna go do some little shopping, a little pre-event shopping, see if I can come up with some pieces for the outfit tonight. So I just left the mall. Got some cool little pickups for the outfit tonight. Can't wait to put that shit on. Finna make a return real quick at a different store. And then probably head back to the house and figure it out from there. I just left the barbershop. Just got a fresh cut. I'm gonna put his name Mike the barber. Put his Instagram on the screen. Go ahead and give him a follow, man. If you need a cut in the city, man, P-Town, you know where to go. The influential Grooming Lounge. Might link them as well. About to head back to the crib. Still got a little bit of time before the night, but eventually I'm gonna put that shit on, man. Put that outfit on, and we're gonna get outside and popping it, man. I got money in my pocket, I'm a uptown nigga. Not enough shit's gone from they broken dangerous, they crash out some things. About that girl, she she's so mysterious. I ain't get mad, I just switched out clock. I treat a bad bitch like a thot. What you do, burn her hand, pull it up a lot. Water, I got ice on the yacht. All right, so I'm all dressed up, ready to go. I'm finna take a little pregame shot real quick. Happy New Year's, baby. Deuces to 2025. Hello, 2026. All right, I'm leaving the house now. We're on the way downtown. The venue's at the Tiffany Center. Never been there before, but from what I heard, they host like weddings and stuff like that. So, dressed to impress event. You already know I'm suited and booted, man. Let's get it popping. Let's go. I'll see y'all there. What's going on? All right, we just got here. Gonna pull up to the event. Gotta figure out where this shit's at. I'll let y'all know. So it's the next day. I'm still trying to recover from last night, man. That shit was crazy. That shit was super fun. Definitely one of the best New Year's I've had in a while. Yeah, I just picked up some food real quick. Got this little pizza. Gonna head back to the house, lay it back down, man, and recover. I'm trying to tap in with y'all next time. Peace.